Tired of the driving test being this big, scary unknown? Wish you could fast-track your prep and feel truly ready for that driving test examiner? You're in the right place. We all know passing the theory test is just step one. But what about the actual driving test part? Too many courses out there just cover the basics. Not what you need to truly impress on the driving test day. That's why we created the BDS London's Driving Test Mastery course. This is not your average theory review. This is a deep dive into the advanced skills and techniques that make the difference between a pass and a fail. Learn to navigate different types of roundabouts. Mini, open, closed, spiral and turbo. Do you know the differences? Parallel parking, reversing around corners, you name it. We break it down step by step. Learn to anticipate and risk aces, react correctly in emergencies, and become an advanced defensive driver. Understand exactly what examiners look for, and develop the habits that earn you points. Our online video course is accessible anytime, anywhere. Fit it into your schedule. Get expert and clear directions on advanced PEEP and CREEP procedures. Save time spent with your instructor, save you money and enhance your opportunity to pass the first time. This course is designed for learners who already have their theory knowledge down. You've got the basics, now let's get you to the next level. Whether you're just starting lessons with an instructor or getting ready for your test, this will massively accelerate your progress. Save time and money. Less time on lessons means more cash in your pocket. Reduce test day anxiety. You'll be so prepared, the test will feel like just another drive. Become a better driver overall. These skills stay with you for life, long after you pass. But wait, there's more. Purchase any BDS London service and gain full access to this invaluable package. Ready to unlock your driving potential? Click the link below to enroll in the Driving Test Mastery course today. Don't just pass your test, dominate it. Frequently asked questions. Is the course suitable for beginners? The answer is, this course is perfect for learners with a basic understanding of driving theory. If you've passed your theory test and want to improve your practical skills, our lessons will boost your progress and confidence. Can I access the course at any time, and how long will I have access? The answer is, yes. The Driving Test Mastery course is online and available 24/7. You can access it anytime, anywhere for 3 months after enrolling, allowing you to review the lessons as often as needed. What if I need additional support or have questions during the course? At BDS London, our experienced instructors are here to help. You can reach out through our support portal for guidance and answers to ensure you're fully prepared for your driving test. What makes the Driving Test Mastery course different from other driving courses? Our course goes beyond basic driving instruction by focusing on advanced techniques and real-world scenarios. We emphasize practical skills like navigating complex roundabouts, mastering difficult maneuvers, and developing defensive driving habits to ensure you're fully prepared for your test and beyond. Click the link below to enroll in the Driving Test Mastery course today. Don't just pass your test, dominate it.